Yo, so I get something there. I go out on the road now. You see me? I'm just doing like a pre-game and thing. I'm going to touch the road. You know, Sakae. This event called Keep the Road. Yo, this is like the busiest event in my station. Not really busy, but yeah. Everybody going to catch the last train to go. I'm here waiting on my friend from about 11 o'clock. Like about 10:45. Let me tell you something. Tell you something. A while ago I draw some bungie in the train there. Till I daddy have to box me. Box down umbrella, big commotion. Everybody look at, oh my god, what's going on? Is it a domestic fight?
So one piece of dirty story.
I just said that.
One piece of dirty story.
Yeah, so waiting on the train. It's the last train. It's coming up. Can you see the train? Yeah, out. Yeah, we're there. So look more. Party out. Out, reach. Oh. Now the walking in the rain, the trials and tribulations. Oh my God! Iko, let's go upstairs, 6th floor, Buddha. You sure?
Why is that an elevator?
Blood plate.
Oh, it's James.
Yeah, beep. Alright, we're here. We're there. Kick the road, out, up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man thing. Alright, we're going in now. Look at more people. Alright, so birthday drink number one, Hennessy Cranberry. Big up church, come by. Let's up.
Let me take you to a place you never been when the sun goes down. 808, no heartbreak, me and you got love locked down. Me and you making love everywhere from the bed to the ground. Neighbors are hear every sound. So loud. When we're making love and you're screaming my name. So loud. I'm deep inside you, I stroke you, I scream. Hold on.
誕生日おめでとう。ハッピーバースデーアンドレ。
なんだひどくね
31歳おじいちゃん。
ひどくね
ひどくない。だっておばあちゃんって言うじゃん。
けど冗談だかわいいねダメだそうほら痛い